Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be doing an unboxing of Alyssa Edwards and ABH palette. Yes, ABH collab with Alyssa Edwards. And this is the PR box that you would get. So if you want to see exactly what's inside this box, please continue to watch. Okay, this is the PR box and this is what it looks like. And then you open it up. And this is what you will see. And inside of this PR box, you will get a bling out mirror. Hey. And it says Beast on it. Okay. You will also get a fan. Isn't it beautiful? And it too says Beast on it. Look at this thing. Whew. Hot. Okay. And the last thing you get in this PR box is the palette. Alyssa Edwards. Anastasia. Beverly Hills. Okay, this is how it looks. And then when you turn it around, she has a signature on it. And she said, always and forever, Alyssa Edwards. Open it up. It does come with a mirror. And it also comes with a brush, but I never use these brushes. And this is what the palette looks like. Okay? And for those who do not know, Alyssa Edwards, she's funny and she's like a comedian, and she always doing that tongue pop. I can't do it, but anyway. But I'll put a clip in here to let you all see who she is.
When they go low, you go lower. Please, I'm having one of my moments.
This palette is $45 by itself, and it came out on May the 29th. So you see, this is July 29th now, and I'm 2 months behind on doing this video. As you all can see, I don't have on any eyeshadow, so I decided I would do a first impression by playing around with these shadows. So let's get started. I seen Jack and Anna did a look with this palette. Let me see, can I copy that look? The first thing I'm going to use Unicorn Tribe. That's this one right here. Very pigmented. Texas made, and that's right beside it. It's Texas made. Above it, all I'm doing is just blending the other color, blending in with the other color.
Interesting. I don't want it to get that patchy, gritty looking, because that's sometimes what happens with a lot of color shadows.
I'm going to put Beyond on the lid. This is Beyond right here. I'm gonna put Beyond on the top of the lid. Get a little color up in there, some shimmer. Like I need some spray on this. Maybe I don't. Y'all hear that noise? That's just my AC. It is hot in Alabama. I'm going to take a little Inspire and put it on top also on the lid. Anna said, do this, make it look like a cut crease, but hey, can't do mine like Jackie. Jackie got it going on. That's why I say it is inspired by Jackie, because I'm not that good. That's why I say I'm a makeup lover. I'm not a makeup artist. Just a lover of makeup. think I did too bad of a job. Trying to do what Jackie did. Some of this blue up under my lid. This is a colorful palette. So we use some color. I'm not gonna put on any lashes, but I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, as you can see, I did not put on any falsies. I just did my own eyelashes, and that's it. So what do y'all think about this inspired look I got from Jackie Anna? I think I did okay. Like I said, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup lover. That's it. What you all think? Hey, like I said, I really did like the palette. Congratulations, Alyssa Edwards. You did good. I really do like this palette. And I mean, hey, what else can I say? This is a really good palette. So if you are thinking about getting it, you need to try to get it now. I don't know, is it limited edition or what, but this palette is $45 just for the palette. And what I had was the PR package. So I don't think they have the PR package anymore. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, as well as share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.